Roxy and today I am Totoro! Totoro, Totoro. And this is a very special video because it's in collaboration with Honey! So I did this last year and I had so much fun and you guys loved the video, so I'm doing this year again. I got some Halloween costumes for Foggy and I'm gonna let her try them on, and then you guys vote for the cutest and decide what she's gonna wear for Halloween. And let's start. So first of all, I got these bunny ears because I thought she would look super cute with them, but I can tell that she was uncomfortable with the ears because this one covers everything like this, so I don't think she liked this very much, but I think she's cute with it. Maybe I can use it for Easter. Then I got a pizza costume because I'm Italian and I love pizza. This one, I think it's heavy for her because when she was wearing it, she wasn't really moving and she was like... But I also discovered that I can put any costume on her while she's napping or sleeping. I'm like that mom that puts costumes on her daughter while she's sleeping. Maybe I should start an Instagram account.
Are you a pizza? Pizza.
But that's it. Let me know if you like the pizza or not. Next, I got this super cute cowboy, cowgirl, cowcat, I don't know, costume, and it comes with a little hat. And I thought that she would not tolerate the hat, but actually she didn't mind the hat that much. She was like, okay, did you put something on me? So when I put this on, I thought this was her favorite, especially the hat. This one, she didn't care. So cute. She can go around with the hat, I think. And then I got the Pikachu costume, so it's like this and like this. I don't put her arm, leg, paw in it because that's super uncomfortable for her. I usually just put it on top of her and put the hoodie on. But I think this is the one that she liked the least for some reason. She didn't really like it that much, but what do you guys think? And then I got Totoro, so we could match, even though my Totoro costume is lighter, but this was her favorite costume. She liked it, she fell asleep with it, she didn't mind, maybe because it's the same color of her fur, I'm not sure. She has an obsession with gray stuff. She's in love with her gray chair, this thing. When she sees something gray, she's like, mine. Maybe she thinks she can camouflage or something. But what do you guys think? And then I got a doctor costume. Surgeon. I don't know exactly what that was, but I got it.
You're so pretty. You're a doctor? Yes? You're the cutest doctor. You know? Yes.
And that's it. Let me know, guys. Which one was your favorite costume? You can vote clicking on here. You can watch last year's video clicking on here. And let me know what you are gonna wear for Halloween and if you're gonna dress up your pets or not.
And if you wanna download the stickers with Fog, go on my Patreon, link in the description box.
Remember, don't do this to your pet if they don't like it, okay? As you can see, while Fog is sleeping, she doesn't care. And then I gave her a lot of treats. So, win-win situation. As always, I say hi to all these people who tweeted me and sent me cute messages. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Mwah! Happy Halloween!
Roxyrockstv, you are watching Roxyrockstv, watching Roxyrockstv.